Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Mr. S. Balakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, KCS Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. Today we are discuss about marketing functions. It's very important to every marketer, so how the market will function. The first function is research function. It's very important function to every organization because the collection, analysis and the distribution of all the information the marketer needs to plan, implement and control need satisfying marketing activities, which is the function of marketing that makes it possible of adequate information regarding a particular market of target to be generated. The research is very unique way to identify the size, behavior, culture, belief, gender, etc. The effective product is that developed to meet and satisfy the market needs and wants. And next function of marketing is pricing function. It's most important function also. The process of coming up with an amount to charge each customer for a product or services. Price must be seen by customers as fair, not too high or not too low, but it must also allow the marketer to make a fair profit. Basic questions to consider in deciding the price for goods and services. What will customer pay is very important. How much does it cost us to produce? And how much do competitors sell for? These major three categories will be considered while the pricing function will allow. And next, buying function. This function is performed in order to acquire quality materials for the production. Once the quality material are purchased when production, the finished products will quality. Otherwise, it will lead to loss. When a good product concept is designed, it must also be ensured that essential materials are purchased for the product. This function is carried out by purchase and supply department, and the specification of materials goes a long way in assisting the purchase department to acquire necessary materials needed for production. The buying function is most important function of marketing, and it leads to production, and production leads to marketing. Next function, promotion. The effort to inform or the customers about the business product or services, to inform the customers what is our product or what we produce. It will be compulsorily promote to the customers, then only they can buy. It will define effective communication strategies to inform to customers, to target the market about availability and features of the product. Some of the strategies included, we can say that how to promote to advertising or personal selling or public relation. These are the promotion activities that included in the marketing function. And next function, storage. Storage is very important for warehousing and godowns, because holding an inventory of goods until needed by the customers. Product must be stored and protected until they are needed. This function is especially important for perishable products such as fruits and vegetables. It's very important to maintain this storage function. And processing. Processing function involves turning a raw material into commodities that are more preferred or can easily be used by consumers. For example, like converting wheat into bread or paddy into rice. So these are the processing function. And main function of marketing is distribution. So distribution play major role in marketing. It is the process of ensuring that produce a product is easily and effectively moved from the point of production to the target market to enable the produce or product to be easily accessed by customers. This is the process of ensuring that goods get into hands of customer. It involves considering the kind of transportation system to employ, roadways or railways or waterways or in airways. So these are the four categories of transportation. It involves the systems that track products, the kind of middleman to engage in the channel of distribution, their incentives and motivations. So distribution is a major part of any marketing. It leads to transportations. So transportation basically we saw that roadways, railways, waterways and airways. So whatever it is the product, what is the comfortability of product, it will leads to transportations. Now the next function, risk bearing. So every market function it leads to risk. Under risk, risk is the probability or threat of damage, injury, liability, loss or any other negative occurrence that is caused by external or internal that may be avoided through preemptive action. The process of marketing is categorized with lots of risk. Such risks are produced damaging price fluctuations and storage loss. So these risks are very important risks. The marketer has to be bearing this kind of risk because the risk bearing is assuming responsibility of uncertainties. And next, product development and management. The product development is a process whereby the market needs or wants or identify which are later on factorized into the produce during the product design to enhance produce or product quality or acceptance in the market. The marketer should develop the process through some basic strategies carried out of the marketer to develop target market specified products. The marketing research help you to what customer wants. Then only they can purchase your product. You didn't know what the customer wants, then your business will lose. So first you have to research the products or research the customer needs, then only you can develop your product or management. Next, standardization and grading. So this function of standardization is to establish specified categories that must conform to such standard as having a specific test. It makes the product brand so unique. So your standardization, your grading points should be unique. You have different types of competitors in this field, so you have to standardize your products or grading your products. Grading comes in which you sort and classify your product into different size or quantities for different market segmentation while maintaining the product of standards. And next category, market information. So in research we can collect the market information, but information from around the world about market conditions, weather, price movement and political changes can affect the marketing process. And market information is provided by all forms of telecommunication such as television, internet and phone. So these information are very important to run the business. Yes, this is major important function of marketing is financing. It refers to raising funds to start operation and remaining in operations. The financing refers to the mode of payment for the goods and services transferred to the customers. Thus, it provides the necessary cash or credit to produce, transport, store, promote, sell, and buy products. Whatever it is in the marketing functions, the major role playing in the finance. Without the finance, the marketing function cannot be run at any cost. Next function, selling. So, selling provides customers with the goods and services they need and educate them on those goods and services so they can make an informed buying decisions. It provides customer with the goods and services they want in retail stores or business to business. It involves determining client needs, responding, forming a relationship between us. And next function, almost done. Understand what is functions of marketing, and thank you so much for your attention. Stay tuned for next video.